Kasurok kiong kadai ubot lom jong karoi kapar. Kumta ki bor badai pej ya karoi kapar ki yaya le panuan ra ya ki skim baper bandang kham penya jan ya ki snong ki thau dak batei ya ki surok kham tam ban pensuk ya ki nong rep haga kit kaba bakin la ban ra ban rong ya ki mar rep nak ki per ki lengkha shaki yo ki hat ban im ka kamai ban yar ka khai ka pateng dang hakini ki khindiat sngi baladep nila yo ban sakhi ya ka wei na ki jingtrei surok lengba ki scheme ka sarkar kmi kapala tip kum ka Meghalaya livelihoods and access to market projects lani ka mega lamp bat ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme kapadai hakishnong nongkenjang hapo West Khasi Hills District. Ban poison ong kenjang habiai lengba kalenti na nongson sya mau kuruat bat kasimpor shiteng kenta tam namar pasniu palat ka surok kapala tei dakat nat PWD jong ka sarkar jela kamlong ka bapela jan baro ki surok sya nong gendong kilong ki bakhoro kharam suda watla ka sarkar ka penlut de ki pauklor tang ban syu maramot ki surok kumkini manlau snap. Anda lapoi hanong kenjang nila yok ban yuk kejat hak surok kepala shna daga buit start bathamai jong Padma Shri Raja Gopalan Vasudevan na Coimbatore hapok jela Tamil Nadu hak jingjingai ke 10 kilometer ka rukom shna ya kani ke surok kaya siri yang bat kiwei tang bahang ni la pendon kamlang pat ki plastik jot lani ki bala kentai. Ya kini ki plastik bala bread lagi brio la side pat out lengkot yaki la khlek lang pat laijai moria nangta sapat karong shuaban siang yaka kajing don jongani ka surok ka bala shna da kajing khlek lang pat ki plastik lengkot ka long sha kajing yo nong yaki nong shong snong hang ni po nong kenjang ka snong ka ba long han nong kendong ka ba jingai tang ba khat 8 kilometer ini nong stoi.
Kajing mentai jang kani ka surak buat kalong kumni kan kani ka plastik bangi khlek lang buat kani ka surak ni kini ki plastik ki bangi berat sabar ni berat ha kum kinyut kinyer ti ki pen jobo ya ka mariang ka jongi hendai larangi pen tan kam na hang ni kalong na ka kajing mentai ha ka ba yang nang tu dan jobo ka kala kum ka resource mang in penan kam ti ka wei ka advantage kalong ba kini ki plastik lai larangi penan kam namargi yauni ngelapan klik yau mau kala apa yau mau kumbasis pan pesan degree ngi sa tap ni plastik bala ot la seret ho ti kini ki plastik ki laminate yauni mau hapar laminate dala siang sakarong kumni ki lai amno ki duna ka crack meningkong kata ka baar ka jakabakan rung hapo ka ni ka surok kitip ka kadan ka borba ban penprai ki surok penperawat ki mauru andai kamla syu ban rung ban penlek kumta Terbalai ru ka ini ka plastik kalau long kum ka cushion mo ka absorb ya ka pressure la ki wan ki jingkit ki kali ba khia ba ai ru ka absorb na ya pressure mut habakut i ka surok khamne compare ba ki wei ki surok ki bangile klam ka plastik kani ka dei kat kum ka research ka bai la le i professor Vasudevan i ba dei pioneer jong ani ka technology ke
uba John Robert Changrit rang ba snong jong nong kenjang ula ong ba ya kani ka surok labha nang kong kum ka consolidation lengba ka scheme MGNREGS bat ka jingwan terwa jong ka block development office lengba ka office jong deputy commissioner ka West Khasi Hills district kalalong ka kabuk siar ya ka snong hi barok away ba John Robert nga ka bayadai bat kani ka jingshna jingwan ra kani ka scheme bathamai koi 4 jios ngoba kani ka sen ban kong hapo jela bang yu i ba snai gini surok dak bakhlek lang plastik kumnu ki wan ra gini skim hapo snong jung phi
Dengan siapa tu untuk kubastang. Untuk kubastang kini ka serap kuba piyo i minta kamdon kumni, kamlong kumni kubagalong. Kadai galenti kejat, kadai galenti kejat nang ta hagajingwan jong ka skim NRGS niyo i kini serap kilometer. Kemudian perlu sha robak nyong satai jing tep. Tinang tu la ai ko serap ki ai ro na po ka office jong bidu no ston ya ka consolidation buat pan siang mau. Thì hatin kata dalam tiap ya kata ni persiang ban thok kan siapa office jong video bah lada syupo tang kumni ha ki mau imat ki selot ki mau kam tang poslap. Te hatin katu ki jet na po office jong video pan pha sia ni ka project ban de ni project jong ka begalam. Kata te hamar pastang kum ki snong ki thau ki bawan belai ni ka surak mo ki mengi ai belah te siam jing na mar bagati ka skim thumai ka bati ro ka technology new technology ki ong te ngi khot yarap ke ya kini ki place maker ki ton ki expert hang tu nang ta ke jing yarap lem ki pru na disi ki ban ni tho yang ni nang ta ni yo ai ta ki pru ban operate ki ka machine ki batai ngi kuno ban kle mo ka plastik karong pat umau nang ta hakapor pa ni sinaya kani ko mot pa ningkong ni hapan le ta umau ba ar system hakata kapor kadon kam ya ka baipuro roller pan pen level tesot thek no nang ta hatin kata sa sarno nang ta sa ai do umau ba khara em kata sa ai no da kenika rong bat ka plastik kepala klelang iya kenika plastik bat mau upa ndru lang ta hakata kapor sa le no ka roller ka pa klem baibro le ta
Habashna ya kini kesurak la pendon kam hadu saus pa nyu pau kilo ka plastik pala kentaj kum ki plastik song ni ki pela plastik la ni ki song chips ya ki pala lum na nong stoin bat kum ju ru na sorba shilong bat la penulut tang kum life lak tengka na bentagani.
Thank you so much to Battesi TV, first of all, for covering this project of ours. I would like to, say it in the very beginning that this is something not new. It has been going on for so many years. Perhaps in Northeast, for the first time, district administration has made use of this innovative technology. Having said that, last year I remember it was during the month of August, when we have something called SLRM here, Solid Liquid Resource Management, wherein we have half a dozen or 1 dozen boys and girls who go from door to door to collect the solid waste. One day they came to me and said that we have been doing the segregation, but there is no taker for plastic waste, especially for those plastic which come with the chips and biscuits and such, because they have an aluminum coating at the back. It cannot be recycled. That's why no buyers from Shillong or Guwahati are purchasing this. Virtually it is a waste. They can't dispose it. They have to either burn it or dump it in the landfill. Then I got thinking. It got me thinking. I had read about the Professor Vasudevan's technology some years back. Then I got in touch with him. I read many research papers and documentation. Then we decided that why not we make use of this technology. Fortunately, under MBDA, Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, we have a project called Meghalamp. Meghalaya access to market program, under which we build 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer road from the market up to the village, so that the village can transport the produce from the village to the market. Under this scheme, we get 33 lakhs for a kilometer. 2 years ago, our block engineers have been trained in this technology called plastic cell technology, in which we lay the plastic cells, which have to be imported from outside again, and we fill it with concrete mix, and then we roll it with the roller. But the plastic cell has its own limitation in the sense that since cement is a brittle material, it cracks eventually if it not treated properly, not cured properly, not done properly. In fact, we had built one plastic cell technology road in Mairang block last year in a village called Karmuti. The road had shown some kind of cracks. Then we thought that we should experiment with this shredded waste plastic technology. Then I got the approval from the CEO of MBDA. We got Nongkinjang people on board. Thanks and my appreciation to the people of Nongkinjang, especially the Sardar, who agreed to accept this new technology, which has not been tried in Northeast before. Also, the credit to the village that we have 16.34 kilometers sanctioned road under Meghalam scheme, out of which 4 kilometers we had chosen in Nongkinjang, Nonglwai 1 and Nonglwai 2, and 1 kilometer in New Nongstein. Only these 4 VECs or the villages came forward to adopt this new technology, whereas the other villages said that we will not take it up and we'll do it on our own and using our own technology. Nongkinjang we started in the month of March, and within a month we were able to complete this. In the month of April itself, we are building another 3 kilometers, one in Nonglwai 1 and Nonglwai 2 and one in New Nongstein. Apart from this, I've also been told by the Tourism Ministry in the Government of India to make a plan for Nongkhnum. So you must have seen Nongkhnum doesn't have, island doesn't have good connectivity for the tourists to visit. There is Vinya Falls, then there is another falls on the extreme end, and then on island. Because of the bad road connectivity, we haven't been able to get as many tourists as we would have liked. So plans are afoot to make all the roads in and around Nongkhnum using this technology. I have told one agency to make an estimate, a detailed project report, and Nongkinjang being closer to Nongkhnum will be a shining example for this. I've been receiving so many requests from outside Meghalaya, within Meghalaya, from reporters, from interested parties to come and see the road, and that is one, and also to share the experiences, learning and the technology with them. We have been getting so many requests, such requests, and the Nongkinjang village people also will very happy. In fact, they're putting up a marble stone, I was told, with the detail of the project. So credit to the people of Nongkinjang.
Kidang don sa artli ki project hagani ka thain kata Nonglwai 1 but Nonglwai 2 ya kiba dang pentrei hagani ka juk rukom. Dadagani ka rukom sna surok kalong sisha ka bane bat ka paskem bat ka bala ban kerda ya ki jinglen shop ka bor mariang. Germen ba onla ru ban penrung ya kani ka buit thamai haki rukom sna surok jong katnat PWD ban light na ka jing khnyum upai ba baru ban light ka luksan jong ka pisa upai ba.